Right? The quadratic function that passes through the given points. In this case, they gave us a vertex and a point. Since they give us the vertex, we should be using vertex form. Remember that vertex form looks like this style. One thing to keep in mind, this formula has a minus in it, and it belongs to the H spot, sort of. So we could end up with some double negatives in some of these examples. Let's see what we get. Vertex represents our H and K numbers. And the point is just any random XY point. So we're going to call the point as X and Y values. I need to put those numbers in their appropriate places. And then our goal is to solve for the one letter that we don't have, which would be A. So I'm going to plug all these numbers in. It starts out as Y equals. So I'm going to put an 11 in the Y spot. Equals A, parentheses. Everything that is in black on that second line right there belongs to the formula. So I'm just filling in the numbers that are around it. X is a 3. H is a 5. K is also a positive 3. So I'll put plus 3. Okay. Look at the stuff that we need to clean up here. We are trying to solve for A. There's quite a big mess over on the right-hand side where A is. We have this big chunk of stuff right here that we could clean up pretty nicely. Parentheses 3 minus 5 squared. Honestly, this is the nicest way that we could do this. Grab yourself a calculator. And I forgot to load my calculator. I apologize. Give me 2 seconds. Awkward. There it is. Okay. We're going to type in just the part that I have highlighted. All we're doing is cleaning up that one little chunk of stuff. So I'm going to type in parentheses 3 minus 5 squared 4. So I'm going to replace what's in the highlight with just a plain 4. So it's going to look like this when we rewrite. Let me minimize. I still have 11 equals A. And then I said this all shrinks down to just a 4 plus 3. So these two highlighted spots are equivalent. We just simplified it. I'm still trying to solve for A, but at least it's a lot less stuff to worry about here. I have times 4 and plus 3 that I need to get rid of. We should get rid of the plus 3 first. So we're going to subtract the 3 to the other side. That's going to give us 8 equals A times 4. And then, as always, if we want to get rid of times 4, we should divide both sides by 4. I'm going to end up with A equals 2. Now, the question says, write a function. A is not a function. A is just a piece of our function. So we want to write our function with that A number put in it. So I'm going to rewrite one more time, putting in my A number, and then to make it a function, I do want to have X and Y represented as letters. So it is an input-output relationship. Here's the final version of our answer. I'll put it in nice hot pink. Y equals, I have an A number this time. It is 2. Parentheses. X minus H, in this case, it's still minus 5. Squared plus K, which would be plus 3. I want this answer in pink. You do not want to leave it at A equals 2.